Welcome to Poe Boys. My name's Poe. This is a different video. This is explaining. Poe, that's my last name. My first name's Cameron. So call me Cameron or call me Poe. Poe Boys. Poe Boys. I mean, that explains the name right there. This is a channel of me. I have a camera. It's a G7X Mark II, and I have one of them little tripod ball thingy things. I also have a MacBook Pro with 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of solid state hard drive.
Why are you flexing so hard?
Daniel, I'm not flexing. That's my friend Zorby. My friend Zorby's great. Follow him. Basically, that's what it is. Gosh, how do I mute my computer? Okay, got it. Daniel, you're making me nervous. That's one question a lot of people ask. I want to clear up some questions that people have and let y'all get to know me a little bit, so that way you know who I am as a person, and then you can understand a lot more things from there. The channel is me filming my everyday life. I edit on Premiere Pro. It was an easy process to learn. My first few videos, if you look at them, they're obviously really rusty, and they've gotten a lot better since then, learning a lot new things like motion tracking. Like, I can follow my face all the way. Like, if I do this, I can follow my face with motion tracking, which is super easy. Learning all that stuff just takes time, and it's actually kind of easy to do. You just watch YouTube videos. I mean, that's what YouTube is. What happened was I started doing my videos, and then I signed on with Six Media, and Six Media helped me, and I'm gonna explain that a lot more in a different video. I signed on with them, and you might know that from Gavin It's Just a Six's channel, who's one of my good buddies. To start it off, I had 30,000 subscribers in the first month. One of my videos on Crack Rock the Dirt Bike, right here, on Crack Rock the Dirt Bike, got 600,000 views in the first month, which is insane. It managed to hit the algorithm, and as soon as it did, it was game on from there. So I started getting a lot of followers, as well as Gavin promoting me on his channel, so which is why I grew so fast. And I like to have a really positive outcome on things. Outlook.
I use Outlook for email.
I mean, if you can see, I totaled my truck. Y'all are stupid. Why do you do that to my train of thought? I vape. I have a Smock Novo, and the flavor is called Gummy Worms. My truck that I had was a 2007 Toyota Tacoma. I have a video explaining all of that right here. My friend Jake does a lot of cinematic editing, and he helped me edit that. He also works at Six Media. He basically learned me how to do some cinematic shots on the camera, which I'm still getting a lot better at. It's always a learning process, and everyone gets better with time. He did that truck video, which I'll post here just right now. So there was that truck video, then Gavin and I decided to do a dual video, which I posted the video and he posted his side of the video as well. That was the leaf blower supercharging video, which actually worked with a Milwaukee blower. And that video did really well. It got me around 30,000 views, which was a lot at the time, even though I had the Crack Rock video with Crack Rock the Dirt Bike was in the algorithm, so it had a lot of views, but that was just a fluke thing. That video was another video that helped me get up because Gavin gave me some subscribers from there too. It was all just a process of cross promotion and being in the right place at the right time, which I happen to be. Right now, at the filming of this video, I'm at 47,000 subscribers. I'm thankful for every single one of y'all. I love every single one of y'all. Y'all should follow Zorby. Also, pro tip about editing that I learned. Always film way more than you want to film because you can never go back at the footage and say more, but you can go back at the footage and type less. Hello, Jake.
Hello, Poe.
Hi.
See you in El Momento.
Si, muy. So, Jake was on the phone. If you didn't understand that lingo, L means everything. If there is a noun, verb, adverb, pronoun, L. That's just everything. What did you L today? What did you L? That's my lingo. First, I learned Spanish because back in the day I grew up, worked at a lawnmower shop for a little bit, and talking to a lot of people that spoke only Spanish, I learned the L word very fast. So I would just mess around, it was all a good time. Pretty much L is everything. And L do is if you do anything. So Caleb, did you L do today?
L.
Daniel's L. L Daniel is, Daniel's also Zorby. Follow Zorby. It's Just a Six, Gavin. You might know who that is, you might not know who that is. That's my friend, he's got a Mustang. Zorby, he's my friend. He's got a race car with a fat wing on it. Caleb, he's my friend. He's a singer. I call him Fam Mob Mello because that's his singing name. Fam Mob Mello, you can hear his song right now.
I stand 10 toes down.
Yep, that one, right there. That's my friend group, as well as Jake from Six Media, Justin from Six Media, Nick from Six Media, Harry and Austin. I mean, that's pretty much the main friend group we've got in this town right here. This town is not my hometown. Six Media headquarters is not from my hometown. I'm from a town about an hour away, and me and Caleb are moving to the town that Six Media is located in. We're getting a house. Hell.
You ever thought recording a video?
After the leaf blower video, pretty much kicked my truck on, and then I started doing truck videos as well as working on my dad's F-250. And then from there, I flipped my truck over. It was just one of those fluke accidents. I was driving down the road, and then the truck flipped over. And as it did, the camera that was in the back seat must have gotten thrown up in front of me, and all I could see, like I said, I got tunnel vision. All I saw was the camera that flew from the back seat to the front seat after the truck rolled over. So I was like, camera's sitting right in front of me, so I'm gonna go ahead and film it. So I filmed it. Oh, there's my stuff. We are upside down. And that's what basically started with that video right there, is I flipped my truck over, and my buddy and I were okay. No one was hurt, and that's the best part. So obviously, yeah, it sucks my truck died because it died. Find your baby and see it die. Like, the truck was my baby, that's all I had. It sucks that it flipped over, but you know, it's just stuff. I couldn't replace Nate, but I could replace the truck, and I have some plans. A little bit of backstory for me. I've lived a very interesting life. I've been obviously some places down. I've been depressed before. I mean, everyone goes through that stage. I've been homeless for a good while. Just a lot of things that happen, and just life throws you curveballs. I mean, you gotta freaking knock them out of the park. And that's exactly what I've been doing lately, is just taking the most positive outcome on things. And the more positive you are, the better you can be for yourself, and the better you can be for everyone else. Because when you're positive, people around you are positive. Especially when you're in a situation that could be crazy, like you just totaled your vehicle, or you're homeless, or something like that. The positive way to look at it is always the best way to look at it. Glass is always half full. The shoe is always one size too big. What do they say about big shoes? Big socks, big step. Caleb and I are moving to Ruston. This video is just explaining what Po' Boys is, and that's my channel that I started just like a month ago or 2 months ago. And look where we're at now. And I'm not stopping anytime soon. So, in conclusion, I am getting a car, and I think I know what I want. And I want to make something fast as the balls. I want to make a V6 New Edge, which is 01 through 04 stick shift Mustang. And I want to twin turbo it. And it's gonna be freaking fast, because I just know it's gonna be freaking fast. Because that's how it goes, is things get fast whenever I'm dealing with them. It's gonna be a lot easier working on a car that's a super cheap platform. And there's a lot of things in store, and I plan on making a lot of fun little toys and things that y'all can pretty much fall in love with and follow me along the process. As well as Caleb and I are going to be flipping things. So buying a bike for, say, $200 in this video, and then flipping it for $750 a week later. I mean, simple as that, just buy, flip, sell, make money. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that. It's super easy. Like I said, guys, take the most positive outlook on things, and you'll learn that life is freaking great. And you only get one shot at it, so take your best shot, and remember to freaking send it every single day of the week, every single night of the night, every single time you wake up and go to bed. Better make sure you sent it safely. Don't flip over vehicles. And if you drive a Tacoma, they flip. Be careful. Look who decided to show up. Hey, son! That's the father figure of Six Media, Justin. And that's the Nick figure of Six Media.
How do you define
Nick?
a Nick figure?
He just does what Nick does.
Hey, this is my charger.
This is your charger.
You.
Yeah, I left my charger and took your charger.
You. Is it a mortal?
And that's Jake. Yes, you can have one. They're only $1 or something. They're super cheap. They're donut
If
holes.
you go there like right before they close, they'll just give you free stuff.
Yeah, and if you go there and bring them deer meat, they'll freaking give you free food. This is the Six Media family as of right now. And I'm freaking happy in the situation, the place I am right now. Everything's on the up and up, the channel's going crazy, and it's only getting started. I don't know what to do, but just be positive. No matter what happens, if I buy a new car and total it the next day, I'm still gonna be happy. I'm still alive if I don't die.
But if I stay holding me and telling me it's okay, if I stay, then will you stay? Stay. Like this way.
things can change. That's a flip, it's a switch. Watch this.